This worker is creating lots of sparks with this angle grinder, which are spraying all over this stack of papers. Loose paper is highly combustible. Face shields are critical pieces of safety gear required in workshops, and this one is clearly damaged. Face shields must be both impact resistant and splash resistant to protect workers from falling objects or hazardous liquids. A cracked shield. Respirators are important pieces of safety equipment to keep on hand in a workshop, and this one is clearly damaged. Without a solid mask and filters, this respirator won't be effective at filtering out harmful particulate. One of the leads on this multimeter is visibly damaged and frayed. Multimeters are an important tool for measuring the properties of electrical components, many of which. There's clearly supposed to be a fire extinguisher on the wall right here, but it's gone missing. Anyone in this workshop must have immediate and clear access to a fire extinguisher. This lead-acid battery is leaking acid all over this work surface. Battery acid is highly corrosive and could cause respiratory issues if the fumes are inhaled, or severe burns if it. This maintenance ladder is in bad condition. The steps are rusty and weakened. The railing is damaged, and it's missing a wheel, putting it off balance. Workers must be able to rely. This toolbox has too many drawers open, and it is about to tip over. A toolbox like this weighs hundreds of pounds, which could seriously injure anyone nearby if it falls. This worker is operating an air-powered impact wrench without wearing any safety goggles or ear protection. Anyone working in. This air hose is running right across the middle of this walkway, creating a serious tripping hazard for anyone in this workshop. There are several signs indicating that this path. This technician is pouring diesel fuel into an improper storage container. Small quantities of diesel fuel must be stored in clean, dry, and airtight yellow safety cans, which should then be stored in a fireproof cabinet like this one. Other storage vessels may be unlabeled, contaminated, or not rated to store diesel fuel, which may create serious. The keys have been left in the ignition of this forklift without any indication of the forklift's current state. Proper lockout-tagout procedures must be followed to make sure no one. This truck has leaked some oil onto the floor, and it has started spilling over into this walkway. Oil spills create a serious slipping hazard for all workers in a shop, especially when they interfere with. This hydraulic hose is damaged and leaking hydraulic fluid all over the workshop floor. Spilled fluid of any kind creates a slipping hazard, but hydraulic fluid is also highly flammable and poses a serious. There are visible polluting emissions coming from this truck, which are not being properly ventilated. All of the garage doors in this workshop are closed, and there is no additional ventilation system to remove these emissions. This truck has not been properly raised up on these mobile column lifts and is at serious risk of falling. The lifts should distribute the weight of the truck, with each lift cradling the truck's tires evenly. A trained technician should immediately lower this truck back down to the ground to prevent it from falling and seriously injuring others.